Skinny's World. Welcome back to another episode. Yes, Skinny's World. Yes, on my way to California Motorsports. Finally gonna fix that front splitter that's been broken for, man, over a year. Yes, over a year that front splitter's been broken, so it's about time I get that thing replaced. California Motorsports on the way. We'll see you guys there. Yay. All right, goodies and more goodies. And close. Yes, California Motorsports, Oceanside area. We're gonna fix this bad boy right here. Look at it. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. This is my boy Mark right here. Oceanside, California Motorsports. You need anything, hit him up. Hooks me up all the time because this thing, sheesh, needs to get fixed. Guys, so you see, we got the new 1016 splitter, thanks to 1016. Some slip low, yes. Guys, this stuff actually works pretty dang good because I had it on my other one, well, on this one, before the bottom ripped off, and these actually lasted longer than the actual splitter. So I'll tell you right now, slip low, they have a good product. So this will be going on the new splitter. We're gonna get this thing fixed because this thing right here is just flapping, and you got holes. So my boy Mark's gonna take care of me.
I got you.
And I'll be back on the road and hopefully no more accidents.
No more accidents, dude.
Although breaking this was not my fault. My homeboy didn't tell me about the wall. I got close to it. He didn't say stop. I kept going and crunched. So still wasn't my fault, but you know, that's how it goes. Before I leave, DDE fam, I know you're here. I know you're watching. You guys recognize this car? Do you recognize this Mercedes? Yes, this is the Mercedes that Damon and Dave, yeah, cut the top off and attempted to make a Aperta Mercedes. Wow, the infamous love tap. They're gonna come pick this car up probably next week when they get back, and we're gonna do some drifting and do some crazy shenanigans that we do in here. So guys, California Motorsports, hit them up, man. Hit up my boy Mark. You can look him up, Instagram, you'll find him, Oceanside. They'll take care of you because they take care of your boy Skinny and they take care of some DDE, so let's go. Don't start trouble.
I'm starting trouble. So I said, enjoy your drive home. He said, I'll be all right. I'm in the passenger seat.
Always.
Wow, I drive all the time.
Yeah, your own car.
It's very true.
I'm just saying,
That's
your
how it should
own
be.
car. I agree.
That's how it should be.
Happy wife, happy life. I don't know.
She's happy though.
You just said 10 years.
She's happy.
Here we are.
She's happy.
Nasty.
There it is. We will be back most likely tomorrow. Pick up the ride.
What a world. What a world. Brum.
This is why the Tesla's so amazing. Look, they can do art. We're gonna hit it. Let's go. Car's ready to roll. Let's hit the road. Road crew wants to feel how fast the Tesla is. I mean, can we get a launch? Oh my. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. The boys like it. Wow. That was a good one. And we'll see you guys tomorrow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we are back. Car, it's fresh. It's back to normal. Yay. Yes, Batmobile is back looking fresh. Amazing. And they washed it for me because it was dirty. Oh no. Wow. I'm glad that wasn't my car.
So your car was actually parked there, and I moved it around front.
This would have been a whole new vlog. Are you serious?
I swear to God, couldn't even make it up.
I would have passed out. Oh, I would have passed out.
No, your car was right next to it, bro. And I was like, can you guys stop? I need to move this car.
Oh my gosh.
And then I parked it right here.
That would have been all bad. But no, thanks, man, for hooking the car up.
Got you, always.
Looks amazing. Come on, guys. Like I said, California Motorsports, oats inside. We'll hook you up. Man, baby look good again. Like, look, no more dragging, nothing, no wiggling, no cracks. It's smooth. It's actually on there better than the first one was. So, yes. Guys, look how busy they are. Look, they work. Another R8 getting taken apart, put back together again. This is what they do over here. This is what they do. They fix all day. I've got everything in here. So it's tranny. Tranny is getting redone. If anybody wants a used 1016 splitter,
Great condition.
nothing wrong with it. It's been skinny approved. You come get it out of the trash can here at California Motorsports Oceanside.
Come get it.
Oh man. Oh man. Holy smoke. We'll give it to 1016 though. Sturdy product because I beat this thing up. The whole bottom of the splitter, guys, came off and got demolished. And it lasted a whole year like that. Look at that. A whole year. Beat up. A whole year. And hung in there, so yeah. All right, how creepy is this? My man Mark was watching me as I was checking everything out.
You checking out your whip as you're picking it up right now. Videoing your whip. But your wife's car is blocking the way. But I see you. I see you looking at my... I see you, dog. Still looks fresh. Don't worry. Good as new, baby. Don't trip. I got you.
That's creeper status right there, man.
I got the cameras. I got to watch what's going on when I got an R8 in the front and Skinny's car, and you got to watch out for it.
It almost got hit in the back.
It almost got hit in the back. But
we almost had a new Lamborghini, guys, because I almost got hit in the back.
Almost.
Let me pay the man.
So
I actually am going to take this home. I can fix it. I can have someone fix it. Put a new bottom on it. Fix the crack right here. Relay the carbon fiber, and I'll have a backup just in case I ruin the new one. Which isn't the plan, but because sometimes happen when it's not the plan. I don't want it to be the plan. Sometimes the plan ends up not being the plan because you break things and ruin the plan. You catch my point. Open sesame, Tesla trunk. Oh. Activation accomplished. Stay. You stay. And lower. All right, you guys see it's in a lot better shape. Now I have one more question. I was gonna have my boy Mark fix my rims because you guys know I curb. But you know what? Woo! Out of both of these rims, yeah, they got some damage to it. I'm gonna have him fix it, but I'm not. Tell you why. Thinking about changing the color on the rims. My boy Damon did a render for me. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. You guys see those two? Do you guys like the white or do you like the green? Let me know. White or the green? The highlighter will match. Let me know, comment below, let me know which one you guys want, which one you think will look the best. I'm gonna do a poll on my Instagram, and it's pick, put a heart next to which one you want. You want the green, the highlighter yellow, or you want the white? I think it might be time for a change. Or if you like the look I have on it now, let me know too. Like the current look, with the color, with the bronze, with the black, or do you wanna see all white, or the all highlighter yellow on the rims? Depending on your answer, what you guys vote on, is what I'm gonna do. So if you wanna keep it this color, I'll go ahead and fix the rims. If not, I'm gonna re-powder coat these bad boys, maybe get some new centers, and get a whole different look. All right, montage over. Time to get out of here. Batmobile vibes, baby. Batmobile vibes. So necessary. I like it. Awesome. That's lit. I love that. Okay, when it's time to go, it's time to go. Okay, turning. Time to go. Yes. And we are done for the day, guys. So, it's dark. It is definitely, that is the grind. Yes, got off work, came to pick up the ride as soon as I can, brought it back safely, made it back with a new front splitter. Once again, guys, 1016 makes, man, have to say, they make some really good products. The other splitter, like I said before, had on for a little bit over a year, and it was it was jacked up. I beat the crap out of it, and it actually lasted, even though it was broken. So thank you 1016 for making an amazing product. You guys, comment below, and also check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have a poll about what rims do you want to see. Do you like the stock rims currently on here, or do you want to see a different color? Do you want to see white? Do you want to see that highlighter yellow? Let me know, comment below, and please vote on that Instagram as well. So do both, why not? But hey guys, like always, subscribe to the channel, bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you're not subscribed, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. A little short, a little different, showing you kind of the errands, what we do on the channel, to kind of get things done, you know what I'm saying? Guys, thanks for tagging along like always. I'm tired, I'm gonna get some dinner, I'm gonna go to sleep, and just like that, Skinny's rule, and we out. Skinny's what?